Hi guys! We're here at the rest house at Alfonso. Wow! Do you like it, Quentin? Of course! Are you happy? Yes! Ang taas naman. May theater dito at may pa-bonfire. Natakot naman ako sa bonfire, may tao sa loob. Ayan po, oh. Ba, nilagay ko. Aba, we have 6 rooms. 6 na kwarto po. Good for 19 to 25 people.